Firstly, you'll come down to the purchase orders into the purchase order section, and then you can simply click on create purchase order. We do have the ability to create a manual PO, but also view suggested purchase orders. Now this uses a feature of suggestions based on your stock levels. If I click on create manual PO, it gives me the option to add a PO number that I want to use, or the system can generate one. I can also select the supplier I want to create the purchase order from, select the target warehouse and the expected delivery date for that purchase order. Once I've done that, it is then using the information that I have against that supplier, and then I can start adding my inventory. Now you can add your inventory one by one, just like I am doing here. It allows you to see your available stock to help you create your purchase order for new stock, just like so. If you want to amend, you simply click on that button and then you can add to that purchase order. Once you have added all of your products to your purchase order and you're ready to send it, you can either email it as a PDF or email it as a CSV to your supplier with the contact details that you have added for them. We don't just allow you to add POs through the user interface one by one, you can also import large POs using our CSV imports.